It is an enterprise that realizes annual production value as much as RMB 50 billion within over 20 years. An enterprise that provides over 20,000 employee opportunities and promotes vigorous development of local economy. An enterprise that continuously reforms and creates infinite development space. Adjacent to a wholly revolutionary base and following the great spirit of Shibai Po, it paves a great development road with Hebei Jingye Group. In 1988, Li Ganpo resigned from an official position and worked as a businessman in the hope of benefiting the local people. He built Pingsan Chemical Plant from scratch. Through over 20 years' tough development, Jingye Group has realized the leaping development from small to large, from weak to strong, and become a cross-trade group corporation, integrating hotel, real estate, and trade based on steel industry. Currently, it has 22,500 employees and total assets of 22.5 billion RMB. In 2014, it realized sales revenue of 56.7 billion RMB and paid 650 million RMB taxes, ranking 22.5th among top 500 enterprises of China and number 1 among top 100 enterprises of Shijiazhuang. For successive 6 years, Chairman Li Ganpo was elected as a member of NPC and kindly received by Li Keqiang. The path of Jingye's development is not smooth. Affected by the financial crisis in Southeast Asia in 1998, the young group was confronted with great calamity. Through deep consideration, Li Ganpo encouraged his employees to work hard and make good use of the opportunity of development with the inspiring slogans. In 1 year, he initiated 10 projects by making use of such advantages as low prices, low interests, and sufficient labor forces, and even doubled the annual production value. In 2002, when the group started the steel project and capital gap was 20 million RMB, all of the employees tried their best to support the steel-making project and help the group step into steel times. During the 2008 U.S. subloan crisis, many steel enterprises were closed. Jingye took measures actively once again, carried out strategies to fight against the crisis. It established 40 direct sale outlets, taking the lead in implementing direct sale. Meanwhile, it invested 520 million RMB in the 1.6 million ton rolled steel rod and wire project. Finally, its deformed steel bars production broke through 4 million tons. It is the crisis that makes Jingye Group greatly improved once again. With an annual production capacity of 12 million tons of iron and steel respectively, now Jingye is the national excellent enterprise of high-strength steel bars and passed ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certifications. Certification by classification societies in 7 countries, CE certification by EU, boiler and pressure vessel plate series certification. Besides its deformed steel bar products and mild steel plate products passed, physical quality certification of metallurgical products by China Iron and Steel Association Gold Award. It developed a series of steels with high added value such as ship plate, bridge plate, and high-rise steel, and earthquake-resisting deformed steel bar and steel rod. Such products sell well in China and are exported to over 30 countries and regions and are used in construction of key projects, such as China Pavilion of Expo Shanghai, Shijiazhuang Metro System, and Taiyuan Grand Theater. It was successfully awarded honorable titles, such as Famous Brand of Hebei Province. In addition, the group was listed as an outstanding supplier of the 6th Engineering Bureau CREC, and Hebei Logistics Group, etc. In 2014, Jingye Graphic Trademark was rewarded as Famous Trademark of China. Jingye attaches importance to environmental protection and puts over 3 billion RMB into energy saving and emission reduction. It firmly carries out the concept of compulsory shutdown without environmental conformity, satisfies national discharge standards. It generates electricity by using gas steam and top gas pressure. The proportion of self-electricity generation is higher than 63%. It greatly afforests the plant area. The vegetation coverage rate is as high as 50%. Jingye was selected as demonstrative enterprise of industrial tourism in Hebei province. The development purpose of the group is to benefit employees and repay the society. Chairman Li Ganpo said the group shall enable employees to realize 3 objectives: affordable to buy a house in the county town, support children to receive higher education, and affordable to see doctors. Therefore, the group continuously improves the working and living conditions of employees and increases welfare and wage level year by year. At present, the group has input over 400 million RMB in public charities, such as construction of roads and schools. In the future, Jingye Group will always maintain strong awareness of unexpected development. Work hard, keep away from arrogance, carry out diversified development strategy. It will fully create construction-dedicated fine steel base of China, demonstration park of circular economy, steel further processing base and high-tech industrial base, transfer pure manufacturing industry into individualized processing and distribution service, greatly promote steel further processing and gradually build the steel structure with an annual output value exceeding 20 billion RMB, car modification, flange and pipe equipment, cold-rolled steel sheet manufacturing plant. It will also develop non-steel economies such as logistics trading and real estate, expand global business, create another Jingye in 3 years, and realize annual production of 100 billion RMB. Under the leadership of Chairman Li Ganpo, employees of Jingye is marching forward with full confidence and strong will.